Hey, there's a new feature that might interest a lot of you. It's called memory. So now if you go in settings, you should see personalization, and you have two new features, Copilot memory, and I explain also Copilot instructions. So Copilot memory is a way to set a list of things that you want Copilot to remember. So for example, here I said I prefer to be called Pierre or PY, but not Pierre. And also I explain when I'm writing content. Uh, so here it's explain how I want the content to be written. I wanted it to be pain driven, a story, short sentence, an estimated time to read the content, and a tone that is self-derisive, curious, direct, compassionate, didactic, etc. So you can, do that by saying remember, and you tell Copilot to remember what it needs to remember. That's what I did here. I said remember, and start the content with a story, that project, etc., etc. That's how I built my memory. And I also said, remember that I'd rather be called Pierre. So this is how you can tell Copilot to remember things. Obviously, if you want to turn it off because it doesn't generate the right content, just go back to settings, and in the personalization here, if you scroll down, where is it? No, you first need to click memory and you uncheck memory. Okay? And you can delete memories, you can delete each item. You have any end of what you want to do here. Now if we go back to custom instructions, this is maybe general instructions you want to give to avoid some pitfalls. For example, here I said I want, or say how you want to write the content. So it can be conflicting with memory. But here, what I'm going to say, it's more, in general, what I want to do is to visualize the result with bullet points and table, to be concise, start with an exact summary. And what I like to add is this sentence: if you don't find accurate information, don't invent it. That is, that can help to minimize the hallucinations. Also, always give sources that led you to the response. Make two categories: one for internal findings and another for internet findings. That's the common stuff that I want all the time. So I said, remember that too. I'm not so sure, difference between Copilot memory and remember and customer instructions. Guess Copilot memory is more on the fly. You want to remember something, and you just activate it, and then you can deactivate or delete whatever memory is here. So let's see it in action. So I think I tested it right away. So yeah. So yeah, I prompted, write a LinkedIn article that explains why Microsoft 365 Copilot is beneficial for executive assistant. And as you can see, I have the number of minutes it's gonna take you to read the article, and it's storytelling, and it respects what I said in my memory. And it respects also, I guess, let's see if there's no distinction with what comes from internet or not, but it gives me some links, just like I said. I want to be sure that I have the information that led to the link, the sources that led him to identify or build the result. So play with memory, especially with the tone, your style, especially when you create content, and also to avoid pitfalls. Tell to where you want how you want Copilot to surface information, and how you want Copilot to bring back information, and avoid pitfalls like not inventing things when he's not sure or he's trying to guess something. So that's how I'm going to use Copilot memory and the personalization features from now. And if I find more use cases, I will share it. Hope this was insightful. And I've read somewhere that if I ask people to subscribe to this channel, it will, help the algorithm. So please subscribe, add comments, like. I will appreciate it. Thank you.